This is the next day. V6 still covered, but just look at the difference in height, man. But we're gonna let this car warm up, and then we're gonna be on our way because we got something special going inside the interior. Yeah, so it's snowing. A little bit of snow play before I get on the main road. We still look nice even through the snow. Yeah, this ain't the best weather for this car, I ain't gonna lie to you. And that boy say Pontiac, that's crazy. Little stuff like that make me happy, I ain't gonna lie. So one of the first things you want to do is unplug this battery so it don't send power to the airbag, because you don't want the airbag to go off on you when you start playing with it. It broke it?
No, I had to make mine.
Oh, I was gonna say I replace it. Shit. Yeah, I'm definitely
I had nothing that could reach that was as wide, so I just cut my screwdriver.
So I was wondering what I was hearing. Oh well, don't look bad. Good condition. So if anybody need it, just hit me up. It's all out. Right now he's just unscrewing the buttons out, because he got a transform to the aftermarket one. Since they don't come with the buttons, everything should fit perfectly. So if you do buy pedal shifters, it will come with a barcode you can deal with. It will show you how to install. Put this there. Show you how big you need it. And it's crazy because you can see the cutout.
Yeah.
But yeah, you're gonna have to cut out those parts so you can put the pedal shifters on there correctly. That looks nice.
Those factories up. They were.
I wish I could have put the Chevy SS as standards, but they too big. Like,
They click pretty good.
yeah, that's nice, man. Out of front with it. Golly, who would have knew?
Still working out. Yeah.
This one,
Mode. Connected.
Or you could just press on it and then go mute. Right now, he's just finishing up. Just got done wiring everything, so now it's really just putting the airbag in. As you can see, That's nice, man. Fits in what I already got going on. I kind of just did this myself a while ago. Let's not forget this. Definitely need this so it can read. That thing is in. Seated. It works. It works. Works? Yeah. That's nice. Hey, at least I got that. Yeah. I'm happy about that. So, hey, like, I'm glad about this. We gonna work on this. We gonna see what's going on with this. Gonna do our little research, but overall, I'm just happy with the steering wheel. My man's packed a punch. We'll get back with you. There go his thing right there. But he'll be back. We'll be back. Alright. So if y'all was hearing, we wasn't able to really get the LED lights to work on the vehicle. We don't know why, but I am about to get into the Facebook forums, stuff like that, see what's going on with that. But the pedal shifters do work, as y'all can see. Straight back from the exhaust, bro. Let's see. Y'all see who we with? Already knew we was gonna run into one of them. T-Baby for sure. Man, this boy look crazy. He stay with the washer, I ain't gonna lie. Sponsored by Pack a Punch. Trying to get me my sponsorship. Oh yeah. I ain't gonna lie, that. God damn, I ain't gonna lie, that look crispy as hell. I ain't gonna care with you. Him, dog. Well, this ain't on him, dog. This scat shit. Yeah, this sound look good. Like, this is why I want to be able to match my stuff like this. Like, I can't wait to get there.
If we do a cutting up in the hood video, bro, bro, I'm telling you, God, bro. Hey, look, and they gonna look at you and think you the one that's doing all that.
So I just got back from, I just came from Pack a Punch. We found out that it seems that my clock spring is not working as far as getting that power. That's probably why my airbag light has been on this whole time, if I'm being honest. But one thing I'm not doing is blaming him for it. He definitely tried to do everything he could do. Right now, just heading back home. See the pedal shifters work.